You need to find like a heavy rock. Oh man.
Look, Steph, this is where we did Alex's pictures. There's the thingy right there, the gazebo or whatever it is. These are the buildings. The buildings. The steps that Josh and Alex took a picture on. I took a picture of Manuel and Ryan. Then this was that empty field. Empty, empty, empty field. Now has walkways in it. And look at this. Beautiful condos, apartments, I don't know. And they go on and on and on and on. I have a pier here now. That wasn't here. And the bridge. And a really pretty boat. And the kids still playing. Those stairs came down. And the kids are playing. There's a boat.
We cannot go left.
Okay. My right arm. My left arm.
Oh, look farther. Watch out. What was this light?
That's a good one to skip, Al.
Huh?
That's a good one to skip because it's super flat.
Mom, look. Oh.
Oh, you can get that one back.
Oh. I want to try this one.
The black ones are good ones to skip.
I want to try to do a spa.
I don't know if this one.
Oh, good job, Christian.